Want to know how to use Free Download Manager FDM? This video will show you the full guide to accelerating and organizing your downloads. Let's dive in. First things first, Free Download Manager is a powerful tool for managing and speeding up your file downloads. Now, to begin, download and install Free Download Manager from its official website, freedownloadmanager.org. Launch the application once installed. To add a download, you have a few options. Copy link. Simply copy any download link from your browser. FDM will automatically detect it and ask if you want to download it. Add URL. In FDM, click the plus icon or Add Download and paste your URL. Browser integration. Install the FDM browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once installed, FDM will automatically take over most downloads initiated from your browser. When adding a download, you can choose the destination folder where the file will be saved. You can also specify the file type to help FDM categorize it. FDM accelerates downloads by splitting files into multiple parts and downloading them simultaneously. You can also pause and resume downloads at any time. Look for the play and pause buttons next to your active downloads. The settings, gear icon, in FDM allow you to customize bandwidth limits, proxy settings, and browser integration. It's a robust tool for efficient downloading. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more software tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.